Why drinking water important for humans? Because the human body is made up of 80% of water, which is present in the blood and other cells. Since we lose a lot of fluid through sweat, urine, and breath, we need to replenish it constantly. Drinking less water can cause immediate problems. The blood cells become dry, and skin wrinkles. Blood becomes thicker, and the heart has to make more effort to pump it through the body. Since the blood is responsible for transporting oxygen around the body, oxygen is not supplied adequately to the organs. The heart and brain react immediately to a lack of oxygen. Lack of oxygen in the brain 10 to 20 minutes that cause permanent brain damage. Water is one of the most important substances on Earth. All plants and animals must have water to survive. If there was no water, there would be no life on Earth. Apart from drinking it to survive, people have many other uses for water.